Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Movement Center. And I really want to thank the Movement Center for having us here tonight. And I'm very, very happy to introduce Drukmogel Dakini. Drukmogel was born and raised in northeastern Tibet in a region called Amdo. She was raised in a yogi village where she was trained from a very young age to practice mantra healing. Since 2013, she's been living in the West, based mostly in Estonia, in Europe, and she travels all over the world teaching different healing methods that she's learned from our teacher, Dr. Nida Chenaksang, and different teachers. She studied Tibetan Kunye massage in Tibet, and so she trains people in Kunye massage and mantra healing, also guiding very many retreats in the Yutok Nintik, which is the spiritual practice of Tibetan healers and Tibetan doctors. So we're happy to have her here for about a month long. This is her first time in America, first time in Portland. She's doing some other programs. If you'd like information about that, please add yourself to our mailing list, Sorikon Portland. We also have many other Tibetan medicine-related courses connected with Sorikon International. And this is, yes, Drukmogel, as you'll see, is a beautiful, beautiful singer, amazing singer, an amazing person. So we're really fortunate to have her here. And I think some of you probably recognize some of our musicians, but I'm going to let Drukmogel introduce, and please enjoy. If you have any questions after the show, you can ask any of us. Okay.
Thank you, Christiana. Thank you for coming, and I'm so happy that all of us could gather and rehearse in different times and finally together before today's concert. And this is a very spontaneous band together. And this is Gail. She plays this lovely harp, and she will present herself with the harp in our second song. It's a beautiful slow melody and help you sleep mantra, help you relax and help you sleep mantra. So those ones who are suffering from insomnia or pre-insomnia, you're gonna hear that. And then this is David, and he's such an amazing tabla player. And we've been rehearsing the other day in Christiana's house, and I was so amazed. I was completely back to Nepal and India, the vibe. And this is Kieran, yeah? Is that correct?
Perfect.
Okay, Kieran, and he plays such soothing music. I know that you're very familiar with the cello, but when I first heard cello, it was only 3 years ago for like in real short distance. Otherwise, it was always in a video or in a track. I never heard it, in short distance. I was able to hear that and work with cellists when I travel for the past 3 years. And these are Jerry and Swami P. They're going to do a duet on the guitars, and we will hear that. So, first mantra is mantra, purification mantra of 5 elements. So some of you have heard it from last time when I was here. And then if you know the melody, you can join us, okay? Don't be shy. Don't be shy, don't be shy. You should come out from your comfort zone and just be free. And the 5 elements are space. The syllable is e, and then connected with our heart. So when we chant the syllable, then the syllable chanting will be purifying all the negativities that we have accumulated in the heart, in the physically and energetically, as well as mentally. And then second syllable is yam. Yam represents wind, and wind connects with the lungs. Yeah? Third syllable kam. Water connects with kidneys. And then fourth, fire. Syllable is ram and connects with liver. And then last one is syllable lam, connects with earth and then with spleen. Okay? So these 5 organs. So you can either touch the organs while we're singing. If you have particular in any of these organs some physical diseases or you feel blockage there, then you can touch there all the time during the song. Okay? And when we sing shude, shude, means to purify, purify. Okay? And Om, Hum is the king of mantra, and representing our body, speech, and mind. Sita Sukha Samsam. Happy Heart Mantra. Sita Sukha Samsam. 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 Sita Sukha Sita Close your eyes and visualize your mother. No matter if she's still alive or she has already passed away, she was the first one who gave us life and gave us unconditional love. The lyric says, on the eastern mountain top, there is a beautiful full moon, and the compassionate face of my mother is inside the moon, as if a reflection from my heart. We dedicate to all the mothers. within that unconditional love that we inherited from our mother, on the understanding of reincarnation, we believe that all of us has once been mothers of each other. I have been once your mother, you have once been my mother. And this song, in a deeper level, dedicates to all sentient beings. And now, please visualize a light radiating from your heart, and we'll be chanting mantra of compassion. Chinese mantra, Om Mani Padme Hum. This is the long mantra of 6 syllables, so it's a 7 syllable. There's an extra syllable called a shi at the end. So it's Om Mani Padme Hum Shi.
This is a prayer, long prayer for Yutok. I announced the wrong one. I didn't have the paper. Okay, so this is Green Tower Mantra. I think many of you know Green Tower Mantra, no? Om Tari Tu Tari Tu Re Soha. Okay, so if you know the melody, you can sing with us, okay? Can you give me more bass note? Okay, then I will start. Om Tari Tu Tari Tu Re Soha. Om Tari Tu Tari Tu Re Soha. Om Tari Tu Tari Tu Re Soha.
Long prayer of Yutok. Yutok is the father of Tibetan medicine. So he left two treasures. One treasure is called Jushi, Four Tantras, the Bible of Tibetan medicine. And then he left another treasure called Yutok Mintik, which means the heart essential teaching of Yutok, which basically is aiming on cultivating or extending the ability of loving capacity for healers. Because as a healer, as a doctor, as a nurse, you're always dealing with people who are in trouble. People only come to you when you're sick. Like when they're sick, sorry. When they're sick, not you're sick. When they're sick. So as a doctor, as a healer, you have a lot of responsibilities, yeah? You get that expectation. And then due to that reason, due to many other reasons, then also your mind needs protection. You need a way, a spiritual way to maintain your capacity of loving kindness. And then Yuto says, as a physician, you have to know how to maintain your compassion. This should be your ultimate goal and aim of all the time. Otherwise, your skills of healing, your knowledge will be misguided. So that's why he left two treasures. One, the actual Tibetan medicine content, the other, spiritual support. And before this spiritual tradition, Yuto Mintik was a family tradition, so it was not taught outside. So it was more secret, preserved. And then Yuto got the vision from Medicine Buddha, because he's considered also a reincarnation of Medicine Buddha. And then he got the vision and command to share this beautiful tradition. Then there was one student called Sontan Shizong, and he was lucky to get this teaching from him. He was so happy, so overwhelmed. He got the two treasures, and he wanted to give thanks to his teacher, Yutok. So he wrote this prayer. And he wrote this prayer to give thanks, show his gratitude. Then I'm sure you have met your mentor, your special teacher in life. And I hope you visualize your teacher, your mentors you have met in your life that has guided you, and feel that gratitude towards them. And everyone is a teacher, and in every aspect of our life, if we allow that to be. Enjoy. Namo Guru.
So
Bye.
This is the Yuthok's heart mantra, and very similar to Guru Rinpoche's mantra, if you know. There's only 2-word difference. Guru Rinpoche's mantra is Om Ahom, Banzar, Guru, Pema Siddhi Hum. And Yuthok's mantra is Guna Siddhi Hum. Guna means Yuthok, it's Yuthok's name. Om Ahom, the king of mantra, body, speech, mind. Benza means indestructible quality. Indestructible quality. The mind has indestructible quality. Indestructible, even stronger than the diamond. Yeah, that's the potential of our mind. Nothing can beat our mind, unless the mind beats itself. And then, Guru means spiritual teacher. Guna here refers to Yuthok. Siddhi, there are 2 kinds of Siddhi. Common Siddhi refers to magic, healing power, and then uncommon Siddhi refers to enlightenment. Enlightenment itself, achieving Buddhahood. And Hum means to come and dissolve. So we're asking Yuthok for giving us, blessing us with within our body, speech, mind, Siddhis. And indestructible body, indestructible speech, indestructible mind. Okay? Okay, so now we have a rock and roll mantra coming. Everything is like soothing and floating. So now we have some hard rock. I hope it sounds hard rock. This mantra is a healing mantra from the Tibetan medicine tradition. It's a mantra healing. According to Tibetan medicine, our body is made of 5 elements, and these 5 elements are combining into 3. They will end up with 3 energies in our body. So we have wind, which is a combination of space and wind together, long. And then this is one kind of energy in our body. And then middle one is fire and space together. That's a bile energy in our body. Bile does not refer to the liquid. Bile is the energy, yeah, the heat, the fast, the speed, yeah. And then the third energy is called a Bekan energy. Bekan energy is a combination of water, earth, and space. So you can see, wind is everywhere. So the character of windy people are also like that, like everywhere. Wanders around, think a lot, and then cannot sit still, and always scheming like me. And and then Tripa people, like people who have more Tripa energy, they're not fat, not thin, in the middle, and then they're very smart, very sharp-minded, and very fast. They get angry and irritated very easily, and then we have fires, more upward. And then we have the Bekan. Bekan is like water, very heavy, earth, very heavy, and usually they tend to have obesity problem, and then they don't like to move. And you can give them one job, they can do it for a lifetime, and they don't like to change their lifestyle. They don't like to adapt any new habits. Like they're so happy with everything they have already, and then it's such a disaster for them to change. They're happy just the way they are. And then very, very, very lazy, mentally lazy, they don't think much, and physically lazy, they don't want to move. And then this mantra is for Bekan. That's why it has to be rock and roll. So, and this mantra is supposed to sing in the morning. Okay? So it's a fast mantra. Okay, good. Ready? Yes. Ready to wake up? Yeah? Okay, good. Om Shanti Shanti Sarva Vidhi Mula Nyakso. 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 Om Shanti Shanti Sarva
Woke up? Good, good. Okay, so last mantra is Medicine Buddha mantra. And we all wish you happy mind and good health. Yeah? 2 flowers of medicine, of Tibetan medicine. On the tree of Tibetan medicine, we have 2 flowers. Yeah? 1 flower represents happy mind, and the other flower represents long life, yeah, good health. And the mantra says Dayata, which means beyond all. Om, the mind. Bekanze is Sanskrit word for doctor, but here refers to medicine Buddha. So Bekanze, Bekanze, Maha Bekanze, medicine Buddha, great medicine Buddha. Yeah, Maha, great. And then I would just add up that it has nothing to do with the mantra, but when I first got to America, first city I got in was New York, and I went to this place for breakfast, and when they served me the breakfast, it was so Maha, so huge. I can survive on that for 2 days because it's so Maha, so huge. American size. Everything, American size. The breakfast, the coffee, everything. Okay, anyway, and we're back to the mantra. So Mahabekaze, the great medicine Buddha, and then Rata Samukate Soha means the king of realization. Please bless us. Yeah. So why he's king of realization? Because medicine Buddha says that we're all looking for happiness. He says majorly we have two ways to look for happiness. One way is called materialism, the other way is called spirituality. So he says, I don't care which way you choose as long as you get happiness, but I do care that whether you have a good health to have the opportunity to choose whether you want to go for spirituality or you want to go for materialism. So that's why he's known as the Buddha of, the king of realization. And everything starts with good health. With a good health, happy mind, you're able to choose any possibility to achieve long-term, short-term happiness. Yeah? Okay. If you know the mantra, follow. Okay.
Beyond all, Medicine Buddha, great Medicine Buddha, King of realization, please bless us. May you live long, may you be happy. Thank you for coming. Just for you to remember, because probably if you say Drukmo, you probably will forget the name, but Druk means dragon. So Mo is a female, so I'm the female dragon, and Ja means Victoria, so Victoria's female dragon. So you just remember the dragon lady. But I'm the good dragon. I'm the good dragon. Not the one that the Jordi, hates, that kills. I'm the good dragon that he left over. Good. I'm so happy that I have met you, and I have met Movement Center and all the lovely people who lives here, the beautiful community, and for allowing us to have the space and meeting here together and singing together and learning the reasons to be happy. We can always learn many things in life where we're capable of doing that because we're so smart. But because we're so smart, we sometimes learn too much of too much, and then we sometimes also need to unlearn. Like learning too much at times causes more, can cause us to have more causes of suffering. So sometimes unlearning is also learning. And thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much.